What is good, y'all? You know what time it is. JT the Barber here, man. Back live and direct today, guys. We got a drop fade, the infamous drop fade by yours truly. Stay tuned. Stay watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. Holla at your boy. Comb your hair, yeah. So guys, we're gonna grab our unreleased gamma trimmer and set our first initial guideline. I like to call this the roller coaster Medusa drop fade. Now we're gonna grab our one guard, close lever. So usually I would set my second initial guideline with the half open, or with the no lever open rather. But since we're doing a drop and keeping the blend tight, we're gonna start with the one. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our 3 guard, open lever, and we're gonna begin to not only debulk the hair, but we also gonna begin the top to the bottom of the blend. Now that we've done that, we just go down the ladder. Now we got our 2 guard, open and close. Notice how I'm flicking in the C stroke motion, flicking out. This creates less room for error, and you don't want guidelines that you didn't mean to set. So after this will be the 1.5 guard and the 1 guard. Now we're going to do no guard, open and close. Now look carefully, guys. Notice how I'm going to work the bottom section, then I'm going to work the top section, then I'm going to meet in the middle. The bottom line I feel like is the most important part, to make it blurry, to make the overall blend pop. So I like to focus on little sections at a time. Now grabbing our half guard, open and close, we're going to meticulously pick out any dark spots that need to be touched up on. This will bring the overall blend together, creating that illusion. These are the premium guards, by the way. I like them better because the other guards tend to fall off or pull some hair, so we're trying to stay away from that. Now we're going to do the C cut. Guys, notice how I leave the hair a little dark at the end so I can make this pop without using any form of enhancements. This is a technique that I've carefully developed over the years of cutting, and it really just brings the overall blend out like crazy. So it's important to take your time on this. I know a lot of people just rush it and it doesn't really look like a C cut, but looks more like of a angle. So very important to take your time when edging up the C cut. Now we're just going to repeat the steps on the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward. We're just going to repeat the same steps we did on the other side. If you have any haircuts that you want to watch or learn, make sure to comment below, and I'll try to get that up and rolling. Now we're gonna connect the back. Notice, guys, when I'm blending the back, I'm using all corner plate, because the back is a very tricky area to bring together from the left side to the right side or the right side to the left side. You got to be very meticulous. They got the occipital bone in the way, so corner play is definitely the way to go. There you guys have it. The Medusa Drop Fade by JT the Barber Man. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Holla at your boy. Stay tuned for the next one.